Hyundai 2020. So we're gonna replace the glass easy, as always is. Couple of clips, same interior, same design on the outside moldings. This one has a little more bigger gap. Careful, don't break it. This one, pushing down. Remember the little clip right there? The rest. Look a little bit, remember? Same thing. But this time the molding is a little more thin than the other ones, so careful. This one can be damaged easy. Even the second molding is not thick enough like before. You see? You can break that one. But it's the same deal, the same deal. I think the rain is coming, so I gotta move faster or I will get rain right now. Remember, this one you can pull it, but this one is really thin, so don't take a risk and break it. Remember, let's go down a little bit. It's missing the cover or what? We need to find out what happened with this cover, okay? That's all, we finished. We set the windshield with the quick set. We remove the glass with the arrangement. You saw this one is no difficult, it's really easy. So it's a very easy job. So we're done for today. So it's slow, the rain is coming. 2 more jobs and see you tomorrow, because it's gonna be rained all day and I don't have room for my job, so I have to move jobs for tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much guys, and see you in the next shot. This was Luis from Vdkar Autoglass Replacement. See you next time.